Hello, welcome to another video on program enrollment, and this is another video relating to the creation of a program study and specifically to creating a course list in a program study. Now, one of the tasks we have to do in a course list is identify whether each course is compensatable or not. So compensatable means that if a student fails the course but they meet other progression regulations, they can progress without having to pass that course, so they carry it as a compensated course. Now, we have to identify every course in a program of study, in all program of studies, to say whether it's compensatable or not, because that information will be published to the students, and it will also be used in progression calculations to work out whether a student needs to pass it or not. Okay, so where do we do that? So I am in a program of study record, BSc Honours Chemistry, and I'm going to go to one of my course lists which I've got here, full year compulsory courses. So I'm just going to click on that to open it up. Okay, so I'm in my list. I go to item details and I can see the courses that are included in that list. Okay, so we've got 3 here. Now, this is where I go to add that value. If I click on attributes and then element attributes for the particular course, this page comes up showing me element attributes. And you can see here we've got element level attribute. I'm going to change that to add in default attributes. And that brings up the attributes I can choose from, element attributes. I'm going to click on UON compensatable. So is it compensatable or not? Yes or no? So this one is used as, it's a compulsory course, so it's not going to be compensatable. So I'm going to click on no. And I'm going to click on show in student self-service, click on that. So they can see that in student self-service. And then I'm going to click OK. And that's it. And then you just repeat it for every single course and then click OK. Yep, and that's saved. Now there's a particular quirk with this system that when you create a course list, it doesn't allow you to do that straight away. So I'm going to show you how that works and then how to solve it. So I'm going into another tab. So this is a course list record and it's one that I've just created. And I'm in the item details tab. And I've got my course. I've added one course in here. I'm going to go to, let's click on settings, attributes. Now as you can see, I've got no element attribute option here. If I do the same thing in my the course we just looked at, go to item details, click on attributes, it's here. So this is great. It's not showing it to me straight away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on apply. Oh no, I haven't put the category in. There's a common element enrollment category. What are you? You're a compulsory. Right, now let's click on apply. We've done everything else. Right, click OK. I'm going to copy that list ID. I'm going to go back to the start page. I'm going to paste in that ID. Click on search and open it up. Item details. Let's go down the bottom. Now, hopefully this time, bye-bye. So now it's showing it. So I don't know why it does that, but basically when you create a new list, you put your courses in, then you have to save it, then go out of the course list, click on the air, sort of refresh the sort of search page, and then go back into it. And then you can go in and click on your element and then add it in. That's just something to bear in mind though when you're doing this. That's just a particular quirk, which is really why I've done this video, because it certainly caught me out when I was trying to set up a program of study. I'm sure it's going to catch other people out. So I hope that's helped.